Jessie from Squeegee and Ink. As you know, we already do pre-exposed screens, so that's where you send us an image and we put it on a screen. It's probably a bit like that. So say if you're doing single colour t-shirts, this is the kit that I would advise goes with that. So this is a single arm press. So we're getting that from Screen Print World in the UK. There you go. And let's just get it open and show you what you get. So that's your pattern, and then let's get the actual press. So this would be kind of like a tabletop press to get you going when you're starting out and you're doing relatively simple designs, but you haven't got a huge amount of space. So it might be in a home studio that you'd have to set up. You can literally get going on your printing on day one if you've got your pre-exposed screen sorted in your press. Right, so this is a spring-loaded one. So it's like, I'm just going to try and, there you go, ease it up. Get rid of these. Right. So it should just be a case of screwing this into a board. So I've got a board here. You might be able to just screw it straight into a table, but I prefer to just have a big chunky bit of MDF. This is what we would use when we're on the markets or something, or doing live printing somewhere. We might get one of these out. So that could potentially screw in there. So I've got that nice and stable on there now. This is screwed into the table and the pattern is tightened in place. So there is a tiny bit of maneuverability up and down there. So this is where you insert the screen. I've got this screwed right the way up. I can centralise that if I do some lines on the pattern. Screw it down. Nice and firm. There's also these Allen keys to be able to change where the pressure's like going on this plate here, and to make sure those screws are tight all the way around, because that's really important for registration, especially if you're printing white ink onto dark shirts. But yeah, I think that would get you going with a little home setup, no problem. So we've got a discount code from Screen Print World, which please use it. So you get your inks, your single arm press. This is the DIY press, and the pre-exposed screens. You can come to us, and that's all you need. The two little features that I want to point out would be this little thing. So this increases your snap, which is the distance from the screen to the pattern there. So say if you've got like a hoodie or something, you want this mesh to flex back when you're printing. So that's just a tiny little thing. And then also, so that this holds out of the way, holds the screen up, you can just tighten up these springs for you, and they'll keep that spring-loaded system out of the way so that the screen's in place while you're printing. We've got it screwed down onto the board, make this sticky, and I think you're good to go. So you can get the pre-exposed screens from us and all the other gear, like the squeegees and the ink and all that type of thing, I would go straight to Screen Print World. You can use our discount code, which is CRP5 at checkout, and we're here for you if you need us. Okay, bye.